let us see how to integrate this trigonometric function. It might look scary at first, but it's actually not. There are actually a couple of ways to integrate this. One is with u substitution and another is with trigonometric simplification. In this video, let's focus on u substitution. In order to do u substitution in this, notice that the derivative of sine is nothing but cos is present over here. Okay. Also, the derivative of cos is minus sine. Minus is not present, but at least sine is present. So you can do either or in this case. You can either put sine ax plus b is equal to u, or you have an option to put cos ax plus b is equal to u. Okay, let's try to put sine of ax plus b in this case is equal to u, because we know the derivative of sine is nothing but cos is present over here. Okay, now what we need to do is convert that integral from the x world to the u world. In order to convert that integral from the x world to the u world, we'll also have to convert that dx in terms of du. And in order to convert the dx in terms of du, what we'll have to do is differentiate this equation with respect to x. So let's differentiate both the sides with respect to x. We'll have to apply chain rule. Okay, remember. So derivative of sine with respect to x is cos of ax plus b. Okay, and then you take derivative of ax plus b by chain rule. Derivative of ax plus b is nothing but a. Okay, because derivative of x is 1 plus b is constant, so the derivative is 0. Is equal to derivative of u with respect to x is du by dx. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If you notice now in the original integral carefully, in order to convert that to the u world, notice that there is a sine over here. Okay, there is a dx over here, and there is cos ax plus b over here. So this sine ax plus b is nothing but u. Okay, and this cos ax plus b times dx, this term is getting generated over here. Okay, so if you just multiply the dx on the left hand side and shift that a on the right hand side, so what you can have here is you have cos of ax plus b times of dx is equal to, now shift that a on the right hand side, you have du divided by a. So we were able to generate this cos ax plus b times dx. Okay, this is nothing but du divided by a. I hope that makes sense. Okay, now that let's convert that integral in the u world. So we know sine ax plus b is nothing but u. Okay, and that cos ax plus b times dx is nothing but du divided by a. Okay, now that a is a constant value, can be taken out of that integral. So we have 1 over a integral of u times du. It is very simple to integrate now. Okay, so we get 1 over a. This is nothing but u to the power 1. Integral of u to the power 1 is u to the power 2 divided by 2. And plus, let's add the constant of integration c. I hope that makes sense. Now you can convert it back to the x world. We know u is nothing but sine ax plus b. Okay, so here you will get 1 over a. Actually, 1 over 2a you can write. And u is sine ax plus b. So this will become sine square ax plus b plus constant of integration c. And this is nothing but your final result. I hope that makes sense. If you are struggling with trigonometric integrals, I've created a full playlist of the crystal clear explanation, the link of which you will see right here.